little lane.
Hop, 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 let's go. It's Easter time. Come on, let's go. Wake up, it's Easter day. The sun is shining, come out and play. Bunny's been here, hip hip hooray. He hid some eggs along the way. Look over here, look over there. Colorful eggs are everywhere. Hop, hop, find the eggs. Pick them up, fill your baskets. Red and blue and yellow too. So many eggs for me and you. Hop, hop, don't be slow. Where did all the eggs go? Find them all, 1, 2, 3. Happy Easter! Yay! Yippee! Check the garden, check the tree. Is there one behind that bee? Under flowers by the door, I think I see a whole lot more. Hop, hop, find the eggs. Pick them up, fill your basket. Purple, pink, and shiny green. The prettiest eggs you've ever seen. Hop, hop, shout hooray! We almost found all the eggs today. Clap your hands, jump with glee. Happy Easter! 1, 2, 3. Where's the bunny? Can you see? Is he hiding by the tree? Look around. 1, 2, 3. There he goes. Wait for me. Hop, hop, one last round. Any more eggs to be found? Fill your basket, don't delay. It's a happy Easter day. Hop, hop, that was fun. We found every single one. Clap and jump, stomp your feet. Hop, hop, time to say Happy Easter Day.
Hello friends! Today we're making a super cute Easter bunny mask. First, you'll need some paper or cardboard, scissors, glue, and something to decorate with, like crayons, markers, or cotton wool. Start by drawing a big bunny face on your paper. Don't forget the long bunny ears at the top. Ask an adult to help you carefully cut it out. Next, ask an adult to help you cut out 2 holes for the eyes so you can see through your mask. Well done! Now it's time to decorate. Color your bunny, add a little nose, and stick on some cotton wool to make it fluffy. If you want, you can attach a string or a stick to hold your mask, and that's it. Your Easter bunny mask is ready. Put it on, hop around, and have a happy Easter!